So hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIEH Job Search series. So today we have opening for another job role, which is in a company called ThreatCure, which is an Indian company, I guess, as far. And the job role for which they are hiring is SOC Analyst L2, which is in the field of cybersecurity. And accordingly, the qualification which is required for this role is bachelor degree in cybersecurity or else computer science or IT or something which is should be related. And the experience which is required for this job role is minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and that specific experience which is required for this job role should be in SOC or similar role. So if you are done with the internship or anything which is similar with the industry experience, it can be considered. The skills which is required for this job role is QRadar, where you should have expertise in IBM QRadar in a priority for security intelligence and analytics. Another thing is Splunk. You should have experience in with the Splunk log management, monitoring and analysis. Also, you should have proficiency in Elastic log stats, which will be a plus point for you when you are going to apply for this job role. And parallelly, EDR, networking, cloud, threat, this knowledge is required. Hand-on experience on IDS and IPS is required. You should have to be familiar with EDR solutions, which is currently available into the industry. Skills in coordination with leading incident response, where you should understand the root cause analysis, containment, and recovery, which is part of incident response and recovery. You should have a good understanding of network protocols, architectures, and common networking security controls, which can be a firewall and VPNs. And cloud security framework and tools knowledge will be a plus point. And you should have the ability to leverage user behavior analytics, UB and UEBA, for detecting anomalies and advanced threat. So these are a couple of experience and qualification which is required for this job release. So how to apply for this job role? You have to just drop your CV to farhan.salim@threatcure.in. Deadline for this job role is 1st of August. So those who feel this job role is fit for you, you can apply for this job role, and let me know in the comment box how you're feeling. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.